Well, hello everybody. I ended up getting to go to jury duty today, it looks like. So hopefully I'll be back tomorrow, but you never know. I might be on jury duty all week or for the next month or for the next year. I'll probably be back tomorrow. I hope you have a good day with your sub. We're going to do a math lesson here together, but there's a couple things I want to talk to you about since I'm not here today. And the first is that the Book Madness Challenge starts this week. And the first thing, this is going to be for third, fourth, and fifth graders, we're going to do is we're going to have a little contest this week to see which class out of third, fourth, and fifth grade can earn the most reading minutes. So this is going to take the place of your reading log this week. And so this is a sheet, and it'll be going home today. Please make sure somebody does the mail today so it does go home. But it's simple. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday this week, you're going to read as much as you can outside of class. Each day, you're going to fill out one of these little tickets here at the bottom. So here's Mondays, right? And it says book title, number of minutes, parent signature. So tonight you'll go home, you'll read as much as you can. You'll cut this out and bring it back tomorrow, and we'll start adding up our minutes. The winning team, the winning class, I should say, is going to get a donut party. I want to win. So you guys have got to go for it. You've really got to put in your best effort here and read just as much as you can, because that's what we're going to be doing here the next weeks. It's just celebrating our reading lives, okay? So read as much as you can tonight. Fill that little slip out, cut it out, bring it back. We'll total up the minutes, and we'll see if we're beating these fifth and third and other fourth grade classes, all right? All right. Next thing I want to talk about is this afternoon, you're going to get back on Canvas. There's another assignment here underneath this one that says Pink and Say. This is a book that goes along with our picture books on slavery, and this book's special to me in that it was published when I was in fourth grade. It's a Patricia Polacco book. And so it was a brand new book when I was in fourth grade, and my fourth grade teacher, Mrs. Tobias, actually read this to my class, but it's always been a favorite of mine. But what you're going to do is there is an audio version that'll also show the pictures. You'll watch the video, read along with the book, and you'll answer the questions that your sub gives to you and then turn them in. And of course, you're welcome to take the AR test as well. It's kind of a little bit longer book. It's going to take you some time, so enjoy it. It's one of my favorite books, so I hope that you do enjoy it. So I think that's enough of that. We're ready to start math. So what I need you to do is I need you to pause this video and get your fat math textbook. And so go ahead and pause the video and go get that. All right. And we're going into topic 14 now. So you can open your textbook to page 521 to the Solve and Share. So go ahead and pause the video. You'll go to page 521. It's a Solve and Share. So go ahead and try and solve it, and then we'll go over it. So pause the video, do the question, and let's see how you did. Okay, so the question says, look at the rules and starting numbers below. What are the next 6 numbers in each pattern? Well, hopefully you didn't find this to be too challenging, all right? So if we start with a number like 18, and the rule next to it says add 3, and then what are the next 6 numbers? Well, really, we're doing multiples of 3, right? So add 3 to 18, you get 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. Down below, you see the rule was add 2 to 17. So you did the next 6. Shouldn't have any problem with that. And the next one, subtract 4 from 40. So it would have been 36, 32, 28, 24, 20, 16. Okay? Not super hard, right? So let's turn the page and let's go to our Do You Know How? And really today's assignment is just continuing this. with one extra thing you've got to add, and that is this. If you look at number 2, it says subtract 6, and you start at 48, it's going down by 6. And those next 3 numbers after 24 would be 18, 12, and 6. There's one other thing you have to do, and that is this. It says in the instructions in the green box that you have to describe the feature of the pattern. Well, all you have to do is share a noticing, something you notice about these numbers. You could do something simple like, they're going down by 6. Or you could say, they're all multiples of 6. Just something that you notice within the pattern. So let's have you try numbers 3, 4, 5, and 6. Go ahead and pause the video and then unpause them when you're finished, or unpause it when you're finished. So when you look at number 5, those 2 missing numbers were 54 and 51, and then it just says describe a feature of the pattern. Well, you could say it's going down by 3, or you could have said that those numbers are all multiples of 3. On number 4, the missing numbers were 465, 472. What was a feature of the pattern? Well, you could say they're going up by 7, or you could say something like they're going in an even-odd pattern. Did you notice that? Even, odd, even, odd, even, odd. It was a pattern that went up like that. So what I'd like you to do here is I'd like you to finish page 523 and then take it and have your substitute take a look at it and make sure it's correct. And then you can move on to your homework assignment. Now, I really think you should have loads of time here in class to get this done. You shouldn't have any trouble. But I'm going to ask you to do page 177 and 178 in your math homework book. Okay? You don't need to get it checked by the sub. Just do your best. When you're finished, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to get on Prodigy. So complete that assignment, get on Prodigy, and I hope that I see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.